Using seeing this on a purple. Using hot pink for that nails. Super cute, the little ones. But you can't do. Can I see the other one? The hand? You can do that in hot pink. Super cute, really dainty. I'll put it right on the top of the nails, and then we're gonna encap it. A lot of you will ask, and you know why we do this? Because we have so many inquiry for this look, like a spring nails. And I'm so obsessed with this. I said, wow, okay. We can do something fun like this to keep you all occupied. You can practice, you know, during a time that you're at home with 3Ds. Oh, sorry. Got it. So simple and easy. Tiny. Can Instagram see it? And this yellow is so tricky though. I was thinking of, I did the yellow. Can I see that? Yellows on it, and like you can't really see it, but I'm gonna switch it a little bit. I'm using a doggone one of kind of a brown, I think. I like the browns better, but it's up to you. Whatever you like, you feel like you want to. The other ones I use like kind of a peachy. I love these flowers of designer Louis. It's so stunning. It's so cute. Oh, so cute. Okay, this blue, I was thinking if I can able to put this one on, because it looks like it's mine not. Because the other one, it didn't have blue, so I put the purple one on. But doesn't have, I should put the black one though. But it's okay. Looks cute. Doesn't matter, everyone. You can do whatever you want. I think I'm gonna put this one. It looks like, yeah, but it doesn't have a LV. It doesn't have a letter. It's okay. If I want to be in blue one. It's okay. One is good. Too much, it's not gonna be good. So I am going to using this stunning. You can use so many out of this. So a lot of you were asking, is gonna last long? Yes, it will, because we are going to encap it with our condensed glue gels. And in the meantime, I want to put our condensed glue gels on every single nails. I'm gonna cap it underneath. Also, I am gonna apply some of my condensed glue gel in just a little. I'm going to cap all of them if you are happy with this, your client's happy with this, or you can absolutely just encap it and put top coat on and you'll be done. But if you want to add some crystal on, close this. And I'm going to put the no wipe top coat on. And you're gonna top. Finish all the topping it. I will top everything, which is I'm gonna top even on the top of condensed glue gels. Then that way it will be help to the no wipe top coat and condensed glue gels, unclear condensed glue gel will help grip the crystals base and keep it stay nice in one place for at least good like 3 to 4 weeks, longer than that. You can put flowers, or thinking you want to do flower, but we've been doing flowers, we're doing butterflies, the stickers, butterflies. The trendiest one is super easy to use. It's not water, decals, anything. It's the sticker, so you can just see the exact the same with the designer design that we had it now. So easy to use using the tweezers and just place wherever you want. My pickers, and I have my little, I don't need this one, I just need a little SS3 right here, but this is so freaking awesome. The big one we're gonna using it for different. Going to put just little guys right here. If you want more, you can put more. What's going on there? Something stuck in there. It was already there. Good. I'm gonna put just a little bling bling on. SS3 or SS4 is perfect for this. I'm so in love with this. This is the request from so many of you asked for this, so that's why we're doing this one to share with you. Hope you're really enjoying it, because you know, if some of you, our heart out there for some of you being, you know, have to temporary close the salons and wait until in the next few weeks or even next month. So at least that I get to share with you something that you're enjoying it. So I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Oh, you are very welcome, Tony. Hey, Sarah, how are you?
I'm pretty good.
Oh my goodness, every time I ask and she's, Sarah, thanks so much for tuning in. Foxy Loxy, thank you. Here you go. That's the gonna final looks you lady get to see. Thanks so much, Foxy Loxy. Thank you, Sunflowers. Oh, it's showing you right there. Is that 60 seconds? We're gonna keep for 60 seconds. In the meantime, you can see this. Maya, thank you. I'm trying to answer all the questions. done. Okay, so now we're gonna do, we are going to using a precision glue to double secure. Even though they're little, but I will check a little bit for this beads right there. Hey Sarah, can you share your code in here? Sarah, can you share your code on in IG for me? All right, I got it. I got it, Sarah. Sarah's sharing it with and then if in case you need to make sure you close this red cap so you won't spill it or dry the glue out, and one bottle of this will last you a long time. And clean this one and blend it out so then that way it won't look lumpy bumpy after you finish. Great, so I want to cure it again for 60 seconds. And can I get that on the stickers? There's so many fun stickers out there. I can't wait to try it for the next coming so many different live video we're gonna do. I have so many here. Can I get the other one too? Look at that, I can't wait to using this one. I did this one a while ago, and with our big bees, queen bee. This one is stunning. This one of flowers. There's so many different set of flowers. And then designers. It's so easy to use. It's a Trendy's newest one, so it's not like the ones unlike before. And this is flowers. I can't wait. You can even do the milk bath from this. And this butterflies is so stunning, everyone. If you haven't had one yet, make sure you check them out because they are like off the stocks really fast because everybody will ready for it, and it's so reasonable price. They're so vibrant and super easy. I really like this one. It's one of the sets. I also really like it as well because this one have dragonflies, and it have like all the birds and bees. This one is cute. This is like a ladybugs. It had all sort of thing in here. This one is also cute. I like this set as well. Unicorns, butterflies. So, and there's so many more in there, so you can check it out. So we can't wait to do all of those. And as Sarah was sharing, it's anything you need, you can get it from the websites, and it using is code